over there, man. Alright, we have a Ducane heat pump that is coming out with no pressure supposedly.
It's staying in pressure, really not that far off.
Where you at?
Well, now it's on, but
Yeah.
I was saying it's staying in pressure.
Alright, so we have a ADP coil. The customer says it was freezing up solid right there. And this is on a Williamson oil furnace. So, yeah. Gonna check supply, return temps, and stuff like that, and we'll let's see what we find. Barometric dampers facing right out here. That's nice. So, it's running now. I'll let it stabilize and see what we got. Supply temps coming down, so that's good. It says when it's cooler out and really humid, it'll freeze up a lot. So, standing pressure is okay before we turn it on. We'll come back. 96 on the low side and 307 on the high side.
When a refrigerator will stop it, it's like, I don't know if it's low, I think it's low.
Yeah. The coil's a little dirty, so that's going to affect our head pressure. Obviously. Alright, well, we're about to get rain down here, but so it's a 3.5 ton unit, so 42. You go down, it's 85 degrees out, it should be 137 over 298. On the money with the head pressure, but low on suction. That's probably the blower wheel's pretty dirty, so that's definitely part of it. But superheated subcooler pretty high. This is a heat pump. You can see the defrost board. So, oh yeah, coil's being dirty ain't helping the head pressure either. But that's where it is, that's where it's supposed to be, and it's dirty, so chances are head pressure would be lower if it was clean. Let's see what the customer wants to do.
Good.
You can see how dirty the blower wheel is in there.
You see it, right?
Yep.
I can't get this fucking thing off. What the fuck? It should pop out.
Alright, the rain is really coming down, but we can't trust any of these numbers because our airflow is improper and measured quick happens to not be working. So we can't check static pressure or anything like that. It's possible that our metering device is messed up because we got too much liquid stacking in the condenser, and these numbers are telling me we got too little refrigerant in the evaporator, so I don't know. Might need a revisit on this one. We'll see. That's it.